Hello everyone, and thanks for joining today. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to manage post visibility on TikTok using your Android mobile. Whether you want to control who sees your posts or keep them private, this simple process will help you do that easily. Open the TikTok app on your Android phone. Tap the three horizontal lines located in the top right corner of your profile screen. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Activity Center. Following this, click on Manage Post Visibility. Now select the posts you want to manage and tap Next. Finally, choose who can see your selected posts and tap Update to save the changes. That's all for managing your post visibility on TikTok. Make sure to adjust your settings anytime you want more control over who views your content. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides.